Hello all. So in this video I will create a new Springboot application, spin up new ElasticBean environment and then deploy our Springboot application to ElasticBeanstalk. So let's get started. On the browser navigate to start.spring.io and just give a package name called defkonline.learn or demo, and the artifact I will give defkonline-demo, and the dependency I will add web and actuator, and I'll just generate the project and import it into my IDE. So I imported the project into my IDE. So let's just quickly create a new controller, REST controller. So I'll create a package called controller, and the name I will give just home controller, and let's create a basic endpoint. So and public string get name, and I'll just return hello world. And the endpoint I will give as name. Alright, so next what we'll do is open application.properties and change the server port to 5000. And the reason is because we will be deploying this application to the ElasticBeanstalk, and the ElasticBeanstalk Java environment internally use Nginx as a reverse proxy which runs on port 5000. So that's the reason I'm running this application on port 5000. Let's just quickly run the application locally and check whether everything is working fine. So I'm using Java 11, so I need to change my Java version. Alright. So it's updating the index. Alright, so let's run it again. Shoot, the port is already used. I'll just kill the port. So let's start it again. Hopefully this time it works. Alright, the application is started on port 5000 and we can check it. So it's working. /name Okay, we are getting hello world. So this is working fine. So let's switch back to AWS Management Console and type ElasticBeanstalk. Here it is. And then create a new application, and I will give the application name as FK Online Demo. Choose platform as Java, and I will select the first one itself, and let's configure more options. So what I'm gonna do is I will select the key pair. So this is saved on my computer, so you can generate a new key pair and then use it here. So the way you can generate is go to EC2 console, just go to instance, launch instance, and select any one of this. Next, add storage, and before launch just create a new key pair. Alright, and then download it to your computer. So I already have that, so I will cancel this process and go back to ElasticBeanstalk. Again, I need to create the environment as FK Online Demo. Select Java, Core 211 running on 64-bit Amazon Linux 2, and then I will configure more options. So select the security group, and so this environment is not a part of VPC, so I will make it as a part of VPC. So what we are going to do is, if you edit the capacity, so the environment type is single instance. So instead of load balancing, I'm just using the single instance. So just save it and create a new environment. So this will take a while, so I'm gonna pause the video. Alright, so the ElasticBeanstalk environment is set up successfully, and we have this URL. Let's open it and see what it is. So this is the sample application which we deployed during the environment creation. Alright, so now switch back to the IntelliJ or your preferred IDE, and I'll just kill the server and go to build. So what I'm going to do is open your pom.xml, and I'll just use, inside plugin build, I will just use the final name as FK Online 1.0. Okay, and so let's build this project now, and then we'll deploy the executable jar to ElasticBeanstalk. So go to your terminal and just type mvn clean package. Okay, so build is success, and it created a new target folder. Inside target folder we have our executable jar, which we are going to deploy to this ElasticBeanstalk. So go to target, and here it is. So open your AWS console, choose upload and deploy, choose file, and it's on my downloads folder, demo, target, and choose the jar and deploy it. and check the events here. Okay, so our Spring Boot application is deployed successfully and health is okay. Let's open the URL and we can see the Spring Boot error page. So I can go and say name, and here we are. We can see the hello world. Okay, so in the next video I will create a new domain and route the domain to our ElasticBeanstalk application. So see you there. Thank you.